Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Broad revision of basic maths concepts is being continued. In this video, serial 16 has been uploaded. This is about linear equations. We start with examples to understand faster. 3 examples have been given of linear equations. In these linear equations, x, y and m are called variables. In an equation where highest power of variable is 1, the equation is called linear. In an equation where highest power of variable is 2, we call it quadratic equation. An example is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Here highest power of variable is 2 in the term x square. An equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side, abbreviated as LHS and RHS. Now in this equation, x plus 4 equals 5. This side is called left hand side, this is right hand side, and in between equal sign is given. Solving linear equations. Here we have solved an equation x plus 4 equals 7. In the next step, 4 has been taken to this side and the value of x is 3. You can see here the rule is we can transpose a term from one side to other by change of sign. If we change side, plus sign is changed to minus, minus is changed to plus, multiplication is changed to division, and division is changed to multiplication. You see in the second example, 7 minus 7 has been taken to the other side with change of sign. From minus 7 it has become plus sign. The steps are self-explanatory and we get the value of x. You see here it was 2x, 2 multiplied by x, and in the next step this multiplication number 2 has come as division. We have divided it by 2. So this is a process of transposition. Plus sign transposed, multiplication sign transposed as follows, like this. This is a slightly different example. You can see 6 by 8. In the next step it has changed side and division has become multiplication and 6 has come here as division. There is an alternate process of doing such sums. What we do is we cross multiply. 6m is multiplied by 4 and 3 is multiplied by 8, and the further steps follow, like this 24 which was multiplying here, it has come here and it has been divided, and we get the value m is equal to 1. You can see this is another value, another example of equation. Have a look. This is fifth example. You can see the brackets have been opened here by simplifying. This bracket is also open. Then we have brought like terms. 2m and 12m are like terms because the literals are same and the numbers are placed together. By simplifying we get this, and then as we have seen before, we can get the value m equals 2. This is also another example. You can see here we have done cross multiplication. N plus 2 is multiplied by 3 and 7 is multiplied by n minus 2. The brackets are opened on both sides. This 7n has been transposed to left hand side. The sign has changed to minus, and this plus sign, plus 6, has come to this side with a minus 6 sign. And here n equals minus 20 by minus 4. So minus and minus become plus, and the answer is 5. A linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Like if the equation is in variable x and it's a linear equation, the highest power of the variable is 1, we will get only one solution. See, in a quadratic equation, the power of variable is 2 and we get 2 solutions. Now verifying the answer after solving it. What we do is we substitute the answer of variable in left hand side or right hand side. When left hand side equals right hand side, it is verified. In the example 5 shown earlier, this was the sum and we had got the answer m equals 2. Now what we do is in the left hand side we put the value m equals to 2. See, for m 2 has been put here. For m 2 has been put here. Then we have simplified and we got 21 on the left hand side, and 21 is also equal to right hand side. So we say left hand side equals right hand side. So our answer is verified. This is all about linear equation at the moment. We shall continue it in the next video. Please give your comments and suggestions so that all this can be incorporated in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you very much.